Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is dog shaver clippers. This has built-in battery. Rechargeable dog trimmer with built-in battery is good for exceptional flexibility. It can also be used when charging so you don't have to worry that it will stop working and have half-groomed dog. Upgrade stainless steel fixed blade and ceramic moving blade can provide excellent cutting performance. The blade sharp enough for a long time using. Detachable blades, easy to change and clean. Low vibration and ultra quiet design. The noise when working is only about 55 dB, to help the pet feel at ease, not afraid cut hair anymore. The adjustable clipping comb is applicable for clipping hair of different lengths, and the detachable guide combs make for quick, easy comb changes and increased versatility. Ergonomic pet clipper low noise design that your little guy will not freak out about the sound or vibration. Slim size allows a great grip for better movability and facilitate the work to keep your pet beautiful and clean. Sharp and precise blade detachable safe rounded ceramic blade glides through your pet's coat like butter with ease and trims close to the skin without pulling or burning, provides an easy shave for your hairy baby. Our second best dog razor is Holdog Dog Clippers. Our dog grooming clipper is a new type of 33 teeth titanium ceramic blade combining with a ceramic movable blade, including a curly wavy coat and long coat design, so the ceramic clipper can easy cut the double heavy coat. Compared with the traditional 24 tooth cutter head, the cutting is smoother, the heat dissipation is more uniform and the durability is more durable. Usually a part of pets get stressed and uneasy by the sound and the vibration of the pet clippers. But our pet grooming tools are only about 50 dB when they work, to help the pet feel at ease, not afraid cut hair anymore. You don't need to worry about scaring and hurting them. Heavy duty gear for proper powerful cut, with stable and steady control. This dog hair clipper provides substantial power and speed without producing additional heat or noise. 3-speed rotary motor for performance that pros demand. 2200 mAh high capacity Li-ion battery, charging for 3 hours and can sustain use of 3 to 4 hours to accommodate a full body clipping on small and medium dogs or cats. Holdog pet grooming clippers noise is only about 50 dB when it works, ensuring that your pets become more beautiful and tidy while enjoying the hair trimming process. Third choice in our list is Morsey Dog Zip Up Dog Raincoat. Raincoats for dogs that have extra buttons makes putting on this coat easy, fashionable and adorable. It is possible to pull the sleeves up for dogs with shorter legs to display the stripes which match the inside of the hood or on the inside. So cool! Fully waterproof and designed to keep your dog dry and warm regardless of the weather. It's a special day to rain and this puppy's raincoat will work well. Ideal puppy from 8 pounds to 80 pounds for Bichon Yorkie Terrier Schnauzer Border Collie Poodle Golden Retriever Golden Doodle Dog Toy Poodle Beagle Australian Shepherd Cocker Spaniel Jack Russell medium-sized breeds. It has a small opening in the side of this small dog's raincoat. Which is waterproof for harness owners. The pockets on the back allow for easy holding keys, doggy bags and bonus snacks, or other small items. Number 4 in our side is Bright Up Beard Trimmer. Our Bright Up Manscaped all-in-one kit is designed for precision trimming and includes 6 trimmer heads and a stand base for easy organization. It also comes with 6 hair trimmer combs that allow you to control the length and style of your beard, body, face, nose, ear, eyebrows, sideburns, neck, groin, pubic hair, ball or other private parts. Our beard grooming kit is designed to be fully washable, making it easy to clean after use. The blades are also detachable and can be cleaned with the brush included in the kit. The LED display indicates the battery power and reminds you to charge. The built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime per charge, and it only takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere and is perfect for travel. The stainless steel blades are self-sharpening and have a precision gap for close trimming. They are also non-corrosive, preventing rust and skin irritation. The smooth curved handle is comfortable to hold, and the 3 seconds long press lock design ensures better use. Last in our top 5 best dog razor list is Viken Dog Clippers Grooming Kit. Our dog hair clipper include 3 trimmer heads and 1 nail grinder head that can be replaced. If you're looking for a hair clipper for grooming for dog, cat or other furry friend, then look no further. This dog nail clippers have trimming and everything needed for full body clipping and nail sharpening. Many pets are often stressed by the noise and vibration of dog hair clippers. Our dog grooming supplies feature a superior motor and whisper quiet technology. Keep them calm and help pets polish their claws faster and easier. Our cat nail trimmer is very lightweight, it's easy to carry, charge anytime and anywhere. Just 5 hours charge to use it for 90 minutes continuously. No longer worry about replacing the battery and boring wire. This dog paw trimmer can directly clean under the tap. Our dog grooming clipper with 4 guided combs, your pet's hair will be perfectly trimmed to your desired length, comfortable for your pet's scalp. Our dog trimmer for face give your pets a safe, relaxing and excellent grooming experience. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.